Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I usually don't do these talks, but today we reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It's a really big number for me. So for 100 subscribers special, I'm going to be showing how I make my videos on the PlayStation 4. Alright, so let's get into it. So you just want to click new project. It doesn't matter which theme you like. If you're playing The Last of Us, you can choose that theme. Or I'm just going to choose PlayStation for the example. Untick all these and choose the clip you would like to do. I'm going to do Fortnite, but you can clip like any video game and put it in. So I'm going to choose Fortnite. And then square to start project. Continue. Let's say I don't want this bit and I want it till the end. I don't want this bit, I want it here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press that square, and this is where the basic editing tools are. So you just want to split the clip, and then you might think it's split, but it's not. You want to press X and then confirm, and it's gonna be split. Let's say I want this bit, but I don't want this bit. Chuck that out, delete that, and there you go, we got this bit. Let's say I want to put like a text in. So we want to split it and then go around here and edit overlays. And then press the X, and you can do anything you want. You can do like stickers, like you can do like play. I like that sticker. To confirm, you can transform it to put it anywhere you'd like. You can also like do R1 and L1 to do the size. I'm gonna delete that for now. So let's add a text. Let's go to text, and there used to be a Fortnite one, but I think they removed that one. Let's do like this one for example. Alright, Fortnite building. Alright, Fortnite building. You can actually do the duration of how long you would like it. I'm just gonna leave it at 5. You can also do it here. You can transform it to putting anywhere across the screen and use R1 and L1 to edit the size. I'm just put it down here. Press X to confirm. And you can delete the clip. You can put an effect on it. Like you can go. How about we just do this one? That looks nice. I like that one. Alright, so now the text should come up here. There we go. So with this you can actually pan zoom. You can like zoom anywhere you like. You can also use the clip volume. You can make it very high or very low. I'm gonna keep it at 100. And let's say I want to add like put another clip. So what you want to do, you want to press the plus button, and you can either add like a track, or add music, but you need a chip or a computer for that. So I'm not going to do that. But let's say I want to add a clip. All right, let's add a clip from. I saw a clip from yesterday where I got it. Where is that? I think it's this one. Alright. Let's say I want to do this, and this is where I got my cool snipes. So let's say this is where I got a cool snipe. So this is where I'll do it. So this is where I got the kill.
Brandon.
And I want to split it here. So let's split that. Then after you've done that, you want to delete this part, because that's where that's the before bit you got the cool kill. So after this, it's gonna show this.
Hey, can you res?
So then that's when I get the cool kill. I want to split and then delete all this part. So yeah, this is the basics of Share Factory. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Really means a lot to me. Don't forget to click subscribe and put post notifications on, and bye.